let's see how to include product categories in Wix. So it's very simple. If you don't have a store or a product page, you can just go to this, add apps in the app market. You can search for an online store. And you can add this Wix stores. It's completely or 100% free. Now, if your template has a store already, then we'll go here to switch pages from home. We'll go to store pages and go to category page. So as we can see in the category page, this here is going to be the list of categories. But we can see that there's just one category, which is the all products. But we have many different products. So what we'll do is we'll include a product category. So to include product category, we'll go and manage products. So in this dashboard, we're going to be here in the products, but this is not our concern now. We're going to have some categories, which is pretty simple. We'll just go here in categories, and we can see two buttons here to add your new category. You can choose whichever you want. So we can add some or include some categories. You can name your category, like for example, we have fashion and accessories. You can add some images for your category or media from Wix. And fashion and accessories. So you can actually get whatever you want from here. For example, this one. And you can add some descriptions. And now you can add the products that matches your category. So it's fashion. Let's have bag, a sweatshirt, glasses, hat, earrings, plain t-shirt. So that's it. Let's add. And there, it's added. You can also drag it to arrange your products in the category. And click Save. It's easy, right? You can add some more. For example, drinkware. Media from Wix. You can add some descriptions and you can add the products. For example, is some mug and a tumbler. Add and save. So that's it. It's that simple. When we go and exit this dashboard, we can now see here it's going to have the categories here. And when we publish this and view site and go to shop here. And that's it. That's how to include product categories in Wix. See you soon!